Hi, Michael James here. I'm just in Thailand at the moment. I'm going to go meet another instructor, which I'm going to make my next course on, which is going to be about our experience in projects, where it's gone wrong. You'll resonate with it. I think you'll notice some things that are probably you identify with. I'm going to talk about how to apply the Agile principles in practice through our own experience. We read about it in theory, but in my experience of actually applying it, how the people are resistant to change, how that can have problems with senior managers, how that can have problems with actually coaching a new team to be self-empowered rather than being told, when they're used to being told what to do. So that's what I'm doing in Thailand. And as I'm in Thailand, I've been thinking a lot about product value, because one thing that we look at in Scrum is how to improve the current value by adding new features and functionality that our stakeholders want. So as I'm walking around Thailand, if any of you have been there, you'll know that they do a lot of sort of fake sunglasses, fake watches, fake handbags, and particularly watches I'm looking at, because the thing is, it's like, why is the real one worth £7,000 in UK pounds, and why can you get one which is basically the same? Well, not quite, but it tells the time. The intrinsic value is the same, if not better, because it's quartz. It looks real, it has the chronograph function, all of that, and intrinsically it meets the user's needs. I need to be able to tell the time. So what is it that makes it so more valuable, the actual real one so much more valuable? And it's brand, basically. And what that brand, once you've spent that kind of money, you appreciate it more. You've worked harder for it, you're going to appreciate it more. But it's also the fact that it's real, the experience of going into the shop and feeling like you've made it, or whatever feeling it gives you. And then basically you've got something that you really value a lot more than what you would have bought if it was fake. Now, we don't talk about brand value much in Scrum, but the difference between the fake watch and the real watch, yes, there's differences, but is it really £7,000 more different than what you can get for £25 over here? And I think the answer to that is really no, it's not a £7,000 difference. But what is different is the fact that it's the brand and the branding. So don't neglect your brand, basically. Build that brand up. Don't end up, make sure you look after the brand is basically what I'm saying. And it's something that's kind of supply and demand. It's not what something costs to make, it's what somebody is willing to pay for it. And that somebody is willing to pay for it is, a lot of it's driven by the brand value. And that brand value isn't as logical as just saying that we're going to create some more features that the customer needs. It's a good way to start building your brand up and to build quality, having a definition of done. That's very integral to your brand. Of course, a Breitling watch should be a much higher quality than something that's fake. So if anything, the definition of done is probably the thing that's going to help you to get that brand recognition. Then there's obviously advertising and everything else, which we don't cover so much in Scrum because it's more project management based. But yeah, that's just sort of like the thought that I had as I'm going around Thailand and just thinking about brand value, basically, and product value. And product value is more than just creating new features that the customer wants. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up there. Let me know if you like this video, and if you want to see more videos from me on location as I think about projects and think about Scrum and sort of apply it to where I am. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I will and leave a comment as well what your thoughts are on any of this. And if it's successful, I'll keep making these videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Michael James, and look out for the new course. Bye for now.